If you're wondering if Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is waterproof, I will answer it quickly. Yes, this device is waterproof. It has ATM5 and IP68. Let me actually make sure. Yes, it's IP68, which allows you to actually swim, or it can withstand the rough usage of the water. It even has a mode which should actually help you when you're messing around in the water. All you have to do is swipe down from top of the screen and click on this icon to enter water lock mode. It will lock your screen entirely so you won't accidentally press on something, and also it allows you to quickly eject water from speakers. So what you need to do is click on this button and hold it. It will play sound and then eject any remaining water. After that, just shake your watch a bit until all of the water is gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.